Howdy everyone, and welcome to Yoga with Adriene. I'm Adriene and this is Benji, and today we have a quick yoga for a dull moment. So it's never a dull moment in this house, and I totally believe it's because I have a regular yoga practice. So if you're wanting to stir the pot or just wake up something inside that has been stagnant, hop into something comfy and let's get started. Okie dokie smokies, let's begin standing today at the top of the mat, feet hip width apart. When you get there, stand up nice and tall. Just allow your arms, your hands to rest gently at your sides. And this is a quick practice to help you flip the script, to stir the pot. Maybe find something new, engage in something that serves. Set yourself up for greatness, never a dull moment. So plant your feet firmly into the earth, take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, relax your shoulders and just be open to this notion of letting go the day thus far, letting go of expectations, letting go of any ideas of what you think you should be doing now in this moment, literally, or in the grand scheme of things in your life. I always say that without the yoga practice, my life would not be the same. And there is just never a dull moment in my life. So whether you're just feeling stuck or a little bored, let's use this time, even though it's quick, to breathe deep, to move with intention, and to find what feels good. Take a deep breath in, reach for the sky. Big stretch here. As you exhale, bend your knees and rain it down to a forward fold. Big stretch here, so take a deep breath. Let the head relax over. Again, bend your knees. And then all the way back up towards the sky you go. Press into your feet. Inhale, spread the fingertips. Start to wake up the body with the breath. Reach, 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 and then exhale, cascading down, bending the knees, wiggling the fingertips. Strong foundation in the feet. Take a breath here. Shake the head loose. And then one more time, catch a wave, press into your heels. Inhale, reach for the sky, big stretch, big breath. And then the wave crests and falls all the way down once again. Uttanasana. Breathing deep. Awesome. On your next inhale, slide the hands all the way up to the tops of the thighs. Catch another wave here as you inhale. Find length through the neck, through the spine. Pull the shoulders back, elbows hug into the side body. Take a deep breath here. Smile just a bit. And then exhale, continue to focus on your breath as you move. Forward fold, breathe out. Great, twice more like that. Inhale, slide the palms to the tops of the thighs. Inhale, find length. And exhale, folding forward, moving with your breath. One more time, here we go. Inhale, find length, big breath. And exhale, soften and release. Great. From here, bend both knees. You're going to walk the feet together and then slide the right toes back. Inhale to open the chest. And then exhale, you're actually going to straighten the front leg and draw your chin in towards your chest. Inhale, bend your front knee, open the chest, big breath, big stretch. Exhale, straighten your left knee, pull the left hip crease back, tuck your chin into your chest. All right, you got it now. Inhale, open. And exhale, rounding through. And then keep this going with your breath, and each time, see if you can find something new to focus on. So each time you round, maybe you draw your navel towards your spine and lift your hip creases. Maybe when you open the chest, you draw the shoulder blades together, squeezing your thighs to the midline. Maybe the next time you draw chin to chest, you really lift your right heel up, grow lighter on the fingertips. And then maybe next time you open your heart forward, you drop your right knee, get a deeper stretch. So a couple more on your own. See if you can find something new each time. Moving with the breath, nice and easy. Great, and then the next time your heart, your chest is opening forward, go ahead and lower that right knee, and we're gonna inhale, sweep the arms all the way up and overhead. Big stretch here as you sink slowly forward into that front leg while pulling the left hip crease back, squeezing your thighs to the midline. Really feel your core here, light up your heart, lift, and then slowly we'll release it, wiggle the fingertips all the way down. Plant the palms, lift the back knee up, step the left toes back so you're in a nice strong plank pose. Strong and steady here, press away from your yoga mat. Really reach your heels back. Great, inhale to look forward. Exhale to lower all the way down to the belly. Breathe into your belly here. Then press into the tops of the feet, hug the elbows in once again, and inhale, we rise. Baby cobra, nice and low here. Great, inhale in again, draw the shoulder blades together, hug the elbows in even more. And then exhale to release. Curl the toes under, press up into your power. Here we go, big strong plank, big move with the breath. Once you get there, take a couple breaths. Breathe deep, lifting the front body up to meet the back body, really pressing away from the yoga mat. All right, you're doing awesome. Take one more breath. You got this, claw through your fingertips. Awesome, then step your right foot all the way up, and here we go, nice low lunge. Moving with your breath as you're ready. Find that ease. Inhale to open the chest. Nice and easy, one breath at a time. Exhale, pull the right hip crease back, straighten the front leg. Lift the hips, chin to chest. Nice, inhale to open your heart forward. Exhale, grow light on the fingertips. And now you'll start to move in your vinyasa here. See if you can move with intention, whatever that means to you. See if you can move with your breath and see if you can find something new each time. So start with the big gestures and then move inward towards the small things. See what you can find. See if you can soften the hard edges. Whatever that means to you. Great. And then the next time, take your time, no rush. The next time you're opening your chest forward, go ahead and soften that left knee to the ground. And then we'll inhale, sweep the fingertips all the way up towards the sky. Start to collect your energy. Stay centered or get centered. Navel draws in. We squeeze the inner thighs to the midline. Reaching for the sky here. Let this shape affect your breath and let this also be inspired by your breath. So if you're taking nice full breaths here, maybe it kind of changes the way you feel and the way the shape looks, right? If you're kind of clenching and holding and not breathing, yes, okay. I think we get it. Okay, inhale. Just give it your best shot and exhale. And one more time, big inhale. And exhale to rain it all the way down. Awesome work. Plant the palms, step the right toes back. All right, plank pose. Inhale, shift forward on the toes. Exhale, lower belly to cobra, or now maybe chaturanga to up dog. You're gonna use an inhale either way to open your chest, cobra or up dog. And then exhale, downward facing dog. Great, pedal it out here. Start to breathe deep. Get a little primal. Bend your knees, claw into the earth with your fingertips. Create space between the ears and shoulders. And then here we go, never a dull moment. Inhale deeply through the nostrils. You knew it was coming. Exhale, lion's breath, tongue out. One more time, big inhale, surprise yourself. Exhale, let it roar. Nice, inhale, lift the right leg up high. Exhale, you're gonna bend your right knee and you're just slowly press firmly into your left palm. You're gonna slowly draw a circle with your right toes all the way around until they touch the ground, potentially ending up in wild thing here. Maybe spiraling the hip points up towards the sky, heart up towards the sky, totally flipping the script here as you look forward beyond your right fingertips. Take a deep breath in. Inhale, long puppy belly. Exhale, navel draws in as you come all the way back slowly, with ease, back to your down dog. If you need to take a rest in between, you can lower the knees. Otherwise, back to down dog. Recenter. Inhale in and exhale. Great, inhale, lift the left leg up high. Find your foundation here. Then when you're ready, bend the left knee and you're gonna draw just a slow circle with the left toes all the way around. You'll spiral on your right foot. Keep pressing away from the earth with your right hand. And here we go, lifting the hip points up towards the sky. If you're interested in Wild Thing and want the foundations, I have a foundation video for you here, shot on a Halloween one year. It's pretty fun. Inhale in, lift the hip points up high, press away from the earth. And then exhale from your center, from your core, all the way back. Awesome work. Here you go. Back to downward facing dog. Last big cleansing breath. Head below the heart. Lift your hips up high. Bend your knees if you need to. Deep breath in. Lion's breath, tongue out. Awesome. Slowly lower the knees to the ground. Paint your yoga mat with your hands. Tug them all the way back. Inhale, look forward. Strong focus. Send your fingertips back. Shoulder blades come together here. You're reaching, 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 really activating the upper back body. Inhale, open mind, open heart. And then exhale, surrender. Child's pose. Close your eyes, relax your shoulders, breathe deep. Listen to the sound of your breath. Listen to your heart. And slowly start to wiggle your fingertips, press into the tops of the feet, engage your center. That can be physically or just through awareness. And from your center, begin to slowly rise up. Awesome work. Bring the hands together at the heart. Trust. Quietly whisper to yourself, I trust. Gently bring the thumbs up to the third eye. Inner teacher. Get hot for inner teacher. Trust yourself. Trust your intuition. Keep showing up on your mat. All will be well. Love you so much. Have a great rest of the day. Let us know how you're doing down below. And I'll see you soon. Namaste.